Welcome to the holy grail of N-Largo's F12 N-Largo R. Sunny weather, V12, Novitec extra system. That's live goals right here. Pleasure to have you back on the channel. Today we have a F12 and this. You saw this already? So we take care of this today. Okay guys, we have a really special car today because this was one of the first special series what we did on N-Largos. So basically the F12 was the first N-Largo we ever did, and after that we did the F12 N-Largo S, and in between we have a very special customer. I can't tell you who, but I'm pretty sure you know him, and he got this car, and that's a one-of-one N-Largo R. What is basically the unicorn of all N-Largos, for my opinion. We will have a little bit of fun now. So now we have sound. We have a lot of sound. And let's go. Yes. Those downshifts. I'm happy to be back. Yes! So those high revving V12s from Ferrari, there's nothing better. Really, there's nothing better. You saw the last video with the Puro Sangue? I hope you liked it. So V12 is a V12. You can put some V8 or V6 in a car and think about that the customer will have the same amount of passion or the emotions and excitement like with a V12. That's totally insane. I'm in love with this car, really. To give you a little taste of that feeling, you have some flybys now. mind-blowing how fast this car is, how much emotion you get out of this car, and it's nearly 15 years old. It's a driver's car. Okay, lift up. So you can choose also if you have a F12, A12, 296, SF90, between the lift system from factory, or if you don't have it, or Fiorano package like on a 296 or SF90, you can get it from us. So we build you a completely lift-in package in your Fiorano car, and you have the same benefits like on a normal standard lift system from the factory. Oh, look there, the roof rodeo. You saw it? Nice. Also pretty cool car. But we want to show them how a real V12 is sounding. So, because these Boxster engines is not my type. I guess they heard this. Zero emotions like normally. Okay, we have a little bit of traffic now. That's why I ask you one question, because we have time for the question. What do you think if we do a Supercar Diaries Classic series where we... Sorry. Supercar Diaries Classic series where we show you some Novitec cars from the beginning, like for example Ferrari 360 or 599, 575, Maranello, I don't know. What do you think about that? Maybe we can do some Supercar Diaries Classic and show you some products, what we did for the older Ferraris, That's nearly an old Ferrari now, but I would say like the Ferrari is 20 plus years. So what do you want more? Sunny weather, V12, Novitec exhaust system? That's life goals right here. Okay, so what's the difference on the N-Largo R to the N-Largo S or N-Largo? It's a one-of-one, so we did this only for a special customer, I told you before. It has the NF10 wheels now, it got updated. It has a big ducktail on the back, and we need to go to the gas station. Nice. We redefined the front fenders because the customer has some special wishes on the design over there, so we did this new. And we have all the shields in carbon with silver Ferrari emblems. Those are small changes, but it makes a huge difference because the car looks absolutely insane. And this, for my opinion, still one of the best looking N-Largos. I think I would prefer this car before the A12 N-Largo, in my opinion. there's also a point of view where you need to see the price stability, because we had one customer with a F12 N-Largo, the normal version, in the US, like, I don't know, it's 5-6 years ago. He sold his car on the auction for over $1 million. And if you compare this to the stock F12, what the price was at that time, it's crazy. So you heard the sound of the car. That's because the gas is empty. That's why we stop now and do a quick refill and go out for another drive. We have a mini tunnel. What we use, like always. On the V12, except it's loud. It's working because there are so many hybrid cars out there, doesn't matter which manufacturer, they all have problems, and that sucks. You want to drive your car, it doesn't work. Doesn't matter if the battery is charged or not, it doesn't work. So, and I'm pretty sure that in the future a car what is naturally aspirated, like a V12, V8, will be a much higher price than some hybrid cars, because on these hybrid cars the battery will be dead 2000% in 10 years or 15 years or 20 years, and then you can put the car and put it in trash or replace the expensive battery, what makes also no sense. So in my opinion, for the long term, V12, V10, V8, that's it. So if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe, comment, hit the like button, and please follow us, because mostly of you are watching our videos and are not followers, so please. And I'm pretty sure we will see us on the next one. Ciao, ciao. I love this car. Let's talk about the difference real quick. We have a smaller air outlet in carbon on the front hood. Normally it was way bigger. Maybe you remember it from the F12 N-Largo at the beginnings. We have new shields. They are chrome or silver Ferrari emblems laid on a carbon bed. New front fenders. They are redesigned, so you have an open space here and also air inlets in front and the rear. F10 wheels. This one the car get last year as an upgrade. That was not the original wheels, what we did 10 years ago. And if we go to the back, we have a completely new ducktail, what is really big and high and not comparable to the F12 N-Largo S, what we did a couple years ago. So this car is a truly one-of-one car and pretty special.